guess how much this hunting blind costs? It allows hunters to enjoy comfort even in bad weather. The walls and ceiling have a special coating that keeps the heat in and blocks out sounds and smells. It's roomy enough for 3 hunters, with interior dimensions of 2.1 by 1.5 by 1.9 meters. The hideaway window system is considered the most efficient on the market. It also comes with a swivel stand for more accurate shots. You can also capture the best moments of your hunt thanks to the camera mount. Whether Hideaway is worth $4,300 is up to you. According to the creators of this product, FireEye is the most innovative and feature-filled hunting light to ever be offered to the predator hunting industry. It turns out the customers have been asking them to make something like this for a long time. FireEye was the first in a whole series of smart hunting lights. At its market debut, it stood out as the only LED flashlight offering a choice of 4 colors: red, green, yellow, and white. Hunters can adjust the beam's width and brightness, and the gun-shaped fiberglass reinforced plastic housing adds convenience. The FireEye costs $385. Meet Ice X, designed to tackle ice-related challenges head-on. The creators didn't hold back, fitting a 3/4 horsepower engine that generates around 17 kilograms of thrust. Weighing just over 20 kilograms, it can be carried by a single person if necessary. The minimum working depth is 41 centimeters. To keep the device from floating away, it needs to be attached to an anchor, boat, or the included pin. All of these features come at a price of $1,500. The Chamber of Secrets has been opened again, but this time, instead of a giant snake, it contains hunting equipment. And it's not for fighting an evil wizard, but for ozonization. This procedure eliminates a variety of microorganisms, and with them, the odors that can give away the hunter. However, the manufacturer notes that it's not the best for field use, mainly because it requires a power source. On the upside, it's easy to assemble and disassemble within minutes, and a simple button turns it on without any fuss with settings. It's sold for $480. The weather forecast is predicting snow and gusty winds, then it's time to go hunting. This weather is ideal for adding waterfowl to your trophy list. Wind and snow cause these birds to fly low as they seek cover. The hunter just needs to wait for the perfect moment. That's where Refuge Muff comes in. It not only protects your hands from the cold with Gen 3 synthetic insulation, but the merino wool lining keeps them warm even if they get wet. There's also a pocket for a cell phone. Plus, the muff works great with sodium acetate heating pads. You can buy it for $90. Hunters who are into high-tech hunting got a treat this year with the Flex S camera. It's effective even at night and detects animals at a distance of up to 30.5 meters. The camera has 4 modes of operation: photo, video, and 2 slow-mo options. Additionally, the Flex S sends information about the time, date, temperature, and even the phase of the moon. Footage can be stored on a micro SD card with a capacity of up to 512 gigabytes. And since the body has a built-in solar panel, the camera's operating time is virtually unlimited. The Flex S costs $170. In comparison, the Spy High system seems too costly. It allows you to place the camera higher, but the price of $225 is probably too much, even with the included laser pointer. Icotech offers another gadget for hunters. The company produces these systems that imitate animal sounds. The Nomad Plus version offers the hunter a choice of 165 sounds. If that's not enough, thousands more can be added thanks to the SD card. The Nomad Plus can be controlled from a distance of up to 274 meters. One of the coolest options is the ability to play 2 sounds simultaneously. The Gen 2 GC300 version of the system is just as good. The improved handle allows you to hang it from tree branches. The buttons of the remote control have backlighting for night hunting, and the 15-watt speaker provides loud and clear sounds that can fool animals even up close. The Gen 2 GC300 costs $100, while the Nomad Plus will set you back $290. British photographer Will Berard Lucas takes stunning wildlife photos that impress even the pros. He won the Sony World Photography Awards in the wildlife category for a reason. During the shooting process, he often gets really close to the animals, and in order not to risk his safety, he came up with Beetle Cam. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle with a shell to hide cameras underneath. There's enough space for a professional DSLR model, as well as a GoPro. The Beetle Cam can be operated at a range of up to 500 meters. The camera moves vertically and horizontally to get the perfect angle. And since Beetle Cam's produced on demand, anyone can enjoy it. The following system would fit perfectly into an action movie. It's called Smart Rest, and it combines a gun stand and a spotlight. You can mount it on either side of the car for precise and quick shooting without recoil. The weapon locks so tightly that it doesn't need to be removed while driving, and rotates smoothly and quietly on the stand. The special Smart Rest configuration fits guns with pistol grips and large magazines. All of this comes at a cost of $350. These systems can literally take hunting to new heights. The thing is, most animals look ahead and to the sides more often than they look up. That's why shots from, say, 3 meters above the ground catch them off guard. For this kind of hunting, people often use saddles or tree stands. These platforms are also popular, providing comfy seating too. Now check out this portable stand with a seat at 2.8 meters that costs $228. And to stay dry, this canopy will come in handy. It's built on an aluminium frame 1.2 meters squared and cost $159. Arrows fired from the Flatline 460 fly at 140 meters per second. That's why the creators are confident that this is the fastest crossbow in the industry. In addition, the Flatline 460 scope allows you to hit targets at a distance of 91 meters. Additionally, the kit comes with a quiver and 6 premium arrows. Together with the scope, The crossbow weighs 4.4 kilograms, striking the perfect balance between lightness and power. So much so that some reviews have called the Flatline 460 the best crossbow of 2023. It can be purchased for $2,650. There are some interesting products for bow hunting enthusiasts too. Robotics has come up with this rifle scope called the Oracle 2. It was designed taking into account the feedback on the previous model. Specifically, the Robotics team has improved the manual and automatic brightness control. The Oracle 2 also offers a built-in inclinometer. The scope is still very easy to use. Just press a button and you'll see the point of aim and the target distance. For deer hunting, the Oracle 2 allows shooting from up to 183 meters away. The price tag for this is $600. Ever think about carrying a knife sharpener on your hunting, fishing, camping, or other trips? If you haven't, but you are considering it, take a look at our Gali Kodiak. This handy belt can turn into a knife sharpener. The 800 grit diamond plate and tungsten carbide rod will help you sharpen your knives. There's also a vegetable tanned leather strap to keep your knife hair-popping sharp. The manufacturer believes that this belt can help even with the sharpening of fishing hooks and asks $75 for it. Hunters tracking animals, police officers searching for criminals, rescue teams rushing to the aid of lost hikers. The Accolade series of thermal imaging binoculars is set to impress, not the least because of their adjustable eyepiece spacing. They're so sturdy that they can survive half an hour at a depth of 1 meter. Plus, you can snap photos and shoot videos with them. The powerful batteries will provide up to 8 hours of operation, even with Wi-Fi enabled. The Accolade XP50 has a viewing range of 1,800 meters and costs about $2,700. E-Track is a tracker designed specifically for dogs. The Pro version can even notify the owner when the dog is barking. And the mini version, shown on the screen, stands out for its compact size. It weighs just 38 grams, but just like the Pro model, it shows the owner the speed, direction, and movement of the pet. Thanks to SIM IoT technology, the tracker's range is unlimited. In addition, it's effective even in areas with poor network coverage. And thanks to the app, you can not only chat on the forum and check the dates of hunting trips, but also create a map of your desired area for your smartphone or printing. Why sit on the ground when you've got the Ground Stalker? This product is a real lifesaver for many hunters. No more numb feet and frozen buttocks. The Ground Stalker is made by a hunter for hunters. That's why it combines the functionality of a chair and a backpack. Moreover, the creator of this product plans to build a whole ecosystem of accessories around Ground Stalker. The approximate price of the backpack is $200. All those interested can leave their contact information on the official website and wait for the start of pre-sales.